Hello friends, this is Netrali Patil from Arihan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bavdhan, Pune, Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to learn about 12th Commerce Information Technology Chapter 2 Digital Marketing. Let's begin. In this chapter we are going to learn about meaning of marketing, concept of digital marketing, channels in digital marketing and concept of search engine. Let's start with meaning of marketing. What is marketing? Marketing has always been about connecting with your audience in the right place and at the right time. In today's era of technology, it simply means you need to meet them where they are spending more time, and that is on the internet. Okay, what is marketing? Marketing is nothing but is the promotion of business products or services to a target audience. Common examples of marketing at work include television commercials, billboards on the side of the road, and magazines advertisement. But not all business approaches the need to market their goods and services the same way. Okay, see, this is the diagram of traditional marketing versus digital marketing. What is traditional marketing? Traditional marketing examples might include tangible items such as business cards, print ads in newspapers or magazines. It can also include posters, commercials or TV and radio, billboards and brochures. This is the examples of traditional marketing. And what is digital marketing? The world of digital marketing continues to evolve as long as technology continues to advance. Examples of digital marketing includes things like websites, social media mentions, YouTube videos and banners, ads. Especially digital marketing is similar to traditional advertising but using digital devices. Okay, now see the channels in digital marketing. In this diagram we will see the channels of digital marketing. It includes content, social media, SEO, mobile, email, pay per click. Okay, let's see one by one. First one is search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? SEO is the process of boosting content and technical setup of the website so that it appear at the top of a search engine result for specific keywords. SEO is to attract visitors to your website when they search for products or services related to your business. Second one is mobile marketing. Mobile marketing means from SMS and MMS to an app marketing. There are many ways to go through with mobile marketing. Next one is email marketing. In this, companies communicate with their audience through email marketing. Emails are used to promote content, events and discounts, and also to direct people towards the business website. Okay. Next one is paid search. It means paid search or pay per click. Advertising refers to the sponsored result on the search engine results pages. PPC ads are visible, flexible and effective for many different types of organizations. With paid search, you only pay when your ads is clicked. Okay, you can tailor your ads to appear when specific search phrases are entered, targeting them to a particular audience. Next one is content marketing. In content marketing, have you heard the saying content is king? Quality content is the fuel that drives your digital marketing strategies. Content marketing denotes the creation and promotion of content assets in order to generate brand awareness, lead generation, traffic growth, and customers. The channels that play a part in your content marketing includes video, blogs, ebooks, etc. And the last one is social media marketing. Do you know about social media marketing? In this, social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. Social media marketing is the use of media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales and drive website traffic. The major social media platforms are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, then YouTube and Snapchat are examples of social media marketing. Now next one is the concept of search engine. What is search engine? A web search engine or internet search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. Okay. The information may be a mix of links to web pages, images, videos, infographics, articles, research papers and other types of files included in the search engines. Okay. Now see, in this diagram we will see the result of Yahoo search engine to buy a new car, and in second diagram we will see the result of Google search engine to buy a new car. Okay. Now you can easily differentiate the results shown by two search engines, that is Yahoo and Google. It is showing different websites having information for buying a new car. The entire SEO works on keywords. If those keywords are being used in the content of the website, then that website may rank in top 10 or 20 search results. Okay. Now next one is organic and paid search. Now I will tell you the difference between organic search and paid search. Look at these two figures. Links with advertisement are called as paid search and links with organic search. Okay. See, you will understand that you can pay Google or any search engine and rank your website on top search. The keyword ad mark here shows that this site has paid, and the Google search engine to rank him at top shows the keyword sponsored, shows the word sponsored, which is also paid site, to rank the images and information at top. Okay. The search website is so popular that may user must have visited it. Therefore it has become popular and it is ranked by search engine on its first page. Why we must opt for first 5 pages? Because as we go on, higher number customer does not search those pages, or there are very less visitors as page number grows. Okay. Now next one is categories of SEO. It includes black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Okay. Now what is black hat SEO? In black hat SEO relies on manipulating Google's algorithm to improve ranking by creating a copy of a popular website which shows contents similar to the original website. The Google crawler reads the content and thinks the website is original. one and it ranks the pages. Crawler is a program used by search engines to collect data from the website. But in white hat SEO involves looking for ways to improve users' experience ethically and genuinely. It ensures that the web page content should have been created for the users and not just for the search engines. Now remember one thing, always follow a white hat SEO tactic and don't try to fool your site visitors. Be honest and definitely you will get proper rank. Now Google search algorithm has become intelligent. As it finds you are fooling to rank your website, it ranks you down and blacklist you, and your business go down in open market. Okay, see, this is the difference between white hat SEO and black hat SEO. Okay, now in this session we learn about what is marketing, then traditional marketing versus digital marketing, then search engine, organic search and paid search engine, and the last one is black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Okay, now my dear student, I hope you like this session. In the next session we will go for further things. Thank you.